Hey, you can park right here when you come back. Because there's no space. Okay, I have a question.
This is.
What is this?
I forget what that does.
Oh my God.
But this thing right here.
How are you gonna open it?
Once it's all cleaned up and everything, it's pretty nice. It works pretty good.
Yeah.
So we have to clean that?
Well, it's the grill, and then
You turn on?
what I want you to remember though, once you clean it up,
Yeah.
unhook the propane tank, take
And
it
shake
out,
it?
and bounce it on the ground because this has been sitting for about a year.
Okay.
So the valves probably,
Okay.
but they say to do that.
Okay. Thank you for giving us the grill for us.
Well, I'd rather give it to you guys, and you guys make good use of it.
Yeah. Very good, Dong.
You can turn it. I don't think it's gonna really fall over. Do you?
As long you drive slow.
I can stay here.
Sure?
We do this in the Philippines.
Oh, yeah, but it's a little cooler out.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I gotta go lock my apartment.
Okay. Only in the Philippines.